Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another video of checkpoint revision. So let's start. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Also write your comment for the feedback please. So the first question that we have here, x is input, then output is y equals to 2x cubed. So here is x and we need this one. So that means y is going to be 2 into x power 2.5 power 3. So directly plug in the values here. So then you are going to get it 31.25. Now the next one, you have the y. So y is now 54 and we are looking for the x. So y is 54, that means y is 2x cubed equals to 54, divide by 2, divide by 2. So x cube is 27. So x is cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. So final answer is 3, right? Now another question. These questions are very tricky, the ones which are in the last. So here point P has coordinates -4 and 3. Point P is translated to the point x0 where x is greater than 0. Write down a possible vector in this translation. This is just only 1 marks question, but you have to put some effort. Let me explain this thoroughly. This is, let's say, 1 2 3 4, -1, -2, -3 and -4. 1 2 3 4x, -1, -2, -3. So -4 and 3 point is going to be, let's say, here. So this is point P having coordinates 4 and -4 and 3. So this is first line. Second, point P is translated to x0. Now x0 means x may be any greater than 0. It may be 1 0, it may be 2 0, it may be 3 0, because value of x is greater than 0. So that means it lies on this line somewhere. So let's say I am taking this one, okay, after translation, which has coordinates of 2 0, right? That's the second line. Now what do you need? Write down a possible vector for this translation. Now from going from P to this point, let's say this is P dash. So what is the translation? What it helps goes like that. So that is going to be, you see, this is 3 here, up to here 1 2 3 and then 4. So it's going 4 units right. So that means it will be 4 and going 3 units down. Sorry, I have taken 2 here. So this 3 here, 2 here, it's going to be 5 and then down here 1 2 3. So -3. So this your value can change. You can take any of these value in the positive x-axis, but then this 3 will remain same. So your answer may be greater than 0. It may be 1 3, it may be like 2 -3. This remains -3, but the value of this should be of x should be greater than 1, right? So I've seen first time this kind of question in any of the papers, so you must try to understand that. Now number 21, rearrange the formula to make h the subject. So now we have p equals to 3h square. So I will cross multiply. This will become 5p equals to 3h squared. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So you have h square is equal to 5 over 3p. So h is going to be square root of 5 over 3p. Plus minus. Remember to put plus minus sign, because if you do square of this, you are going to get h, and if you do square of -5 over 3, that again answer is going to remain the same. So plus minus 5 over 3p. Now next one, let's see. Again we have another tricky question here. A rectangle has length of 8x plus 10 and width of 3x plus 10. The length of the rectangle is twice the width. So let me just draw a rough diagram here. So width is 3x plus 10 and this is 8x plus 10, right? So we have length 3x plus 10 and width is 8x, sorry, this is length, this is width and this is length. Okay, so now we are given the length of the rectangle is twice the width, so L is equal to 2 times W. That's the condition which is given to us over here. So length is 8x plus 10, 2 times of width, that is 3x plus 10, just replacing L and W with the value. So 8x plus 10, 3 times 2 6x plus 20, so 8x minus 6x, bring this to here and this side, 20 minus 10, so this is 2x over 10, so x is equal to 5. So we got the value of x as 5. So now we can find out length and width. Length is 8x plus 10, so that means 8 times 5 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 centimeters, right? And W is width is 3x plus 10, 3 times 5 plus 10, which is 25 centimeter, right? So we got the length and width. By writing and solving the an equation, solve the area of show that the area of rectangle is this. So now area of rectangle, you know the formula, right? Area of rectangle is length times width. So length is 50 times 25 centimeter square. Okay, so that is the final answer. Number 23. This is also a different question. Be careful, guys, about the instructions. Gabriela has 2 fair spinners, right? 2 fair spinners. One spinner is blue and another one is red. This is blue and this is red. She spins both spinners and add 2 results to give the total score. So she adds to get the total score. She says each section of my spinner is numbered as 1 2 3. So meaning there are only 1 2 and 3 on this. So but these 3 we need to see by the second condition. The probability that my total score is equal to 1 over 9. So probability of total of getting 3 is 1 over 9, right? Now here if you see, we have 6 sections here, 6 sections here. So 1 2 3 is common here. It definitely will come because it says that 1 or 2 or 3. Now let's see what will repeat. So here she adds. So if we complete this, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. So same here, 2 3 4, 2 plus 1 is 3 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, then 3 4 5, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 5 6. Now here we are getting how many times we are getting? 3 is 1 2 3 4. So now here see this carefully, this step, probability of total of 3 is 1 over 9. So this 1 over 9 is coming out of how many outcomes? 6 this side, 6 this side. So total is 36 outcomes, right? So 36 out of 36 outcomes, how much should be, how many times there should come a 3, total of 3. So if it is 36 times 4 times 4, that's how you're going to get 36. So meaning you are going to get 3 here 4 times. So 1 2 3 4, we already got it 4 times. So that means how are we getting? We are getting this by repeating it by 2. So that means 2, if I repeat here 2, so then you will get an outcome of 2 over here, so which is not required. So meaning we can have 1 again, and then we can have 3 3 again. So 1 3 3. So you may have different answer also. There is no need to actually complete this, because 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 3 is 4. That's how you are going to get over here, right? So meaning we cannot take 1 after this. You may have we cannot take 1 more 3 of total in these outcomes, right? So I hope you got it. Now next, another tricky question here. These are the trickiest one, I would say. Here are two ratios. A ratio B is 2:1, B ratio C is 4:1. Draw a ring around the ratio that is equivalent to A plus B ratio C. So now we are given that A, I can write down A over B equals to 2/1, right? Then B over C is equal to 4/1. We can write down like that. So then we can make it as the same, like from here A is equal to 2B, from here B is equal to 4C. So A is in terms of B, and but B is in terms of C. So what we can do, we can have C in terms of B, that is B over 4, right? So we have these two. A is also in terms of B now, C is also in terms of B. Now what we need here A plus B ratio C, this one, A plus B ratio C. Now what is A? A from here is 2B, so substitute here 2B plus B, and C is B over 4, right? So we have written everything in terms of B. So this is 3B divided by 1 over 4, or we just write B over 4. So now divide both sides by B. When you divide by B, so you will have 3:1/4. Now multiply by 4. So this will become 4 times 3, it is 12:1. So 12:1 is going to be the answer for that one, right? So just make any ratio like in terms of A, B or C, whatever is easier for you, then you can just find out the ratio, right? Now number 25, Eva can pick 7,200 apples in 6 hours. So we have Eva here. Yuri picks the same number of apples in 8 hours. So here we have Yuri, right? So I will make into two sections over here. So first one here, what we have, Eva picks 7,200. So we can write down here apples picked by Eva in 6 hours is 7,200. So apples picked in 1 hour will be, you will divide by 6, because in 1 hour she will pick less number of apples, and in 7.5 hours, this is for Eva, in 7.5 hours it will be 7,200 over 6 times 7.5. So 1,200 times 7.5, this comes out to be 9,000. Okay, so 9,000 apples. Now let's see for Yuri. Number of apples picked by Eva, and this is number of picked, the same number, this number is picked by Yuri in 8 hours. So we will write down here Yuri picks apples in 8 hours. In 8 hours it is 9,000, and in 1 hour it is going to be 9,000 over 8, right? And in how many hours? We are looking for 9 hours. In 9 hours it is 9,000 times 9 over 8. So this comes out to be 10,125, right? So you see, these questions are tricky, the last one. So guys, get ready, your exams are just coming. So do practice every day. For the small efforts, will make a huge difference. So do 4-5 questions every day, and let me know in the comment section if there is a particular question you are facing the problem. So I will try to sort that out. Now this question number 26. we have a diagram shows solid triangular prism. So this is a solid triangular prism. The base of the prism is square with an area of this is the base here down, right? So base area is 25, the height of the prism is 8. Calculated the total surface area of the prism. Now you see, because these triangles are different, sides are different, so all these rectangular shapes are different. So we need to find out different areas, then we are going to add all of them. First of all, we are given area of square, that is the base. Square base is 225 centimeter square. So length square is 225. So length is square root of 225, which is 15 centimeter. So we got this as 15 centimeter, right? So for this we can easily find out area of the base, right? Sorry, that is given to us already, this one. So second shape is this rectangle and the top one rectangle. So behind triangle, if this is 15, this is also 15. So area of this is going to be 15. This part is 15 times 8, right? Now the top one. For top one, we have this length because this is a square. So this is 15, but we don't have this one. So we will calculate this length by, let's say this is ABC. So we are going to calculate AB by Pythagoras theorem, because this is 90. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. AB is BC is 15 squared plus CA is 8 squared. So this is 225 plus 64, which is 289 AB, and the square root is going to be 17 centimeter. So this is now 17 centimeter. Now we have all the sides now. So we will find out the area of this first shape, the square, which is a total area. Let me write down here, total area of the shape is the base area of the base is, for the total area of base, which is a square, it's given to us 225 centimeter square, right? Area of this top part, this one. So we have this length is 17 and this is 15. Area of top part, it is 17 times 15, which is 255 centimeter square. Now this top is done, this side one, area of side rectangle, that is also a rectangle. We have this is 15 times 8. 15 times 8 is 120 centimeter square, right? Now three faces are done. We have two triangular faces, right? So area of one triangle, is half times base is 15 times, this is 15 times 8, 15 times 8, 2 times 4, 60 centimeter square. But area of two triangles then is going to be 120. So times 2 I will take here. For two triangles is 120 centimeter square. Now for the total area, you are going to add all of them. So 225, 250, 120, this one, this and this. So once you add this, I have already calculated guys this for you. This is 720 centimeter square, right? 720. Okay. Now the next one that we have here, number 27. This is also a bit different. The cube and the cuboid have the same volumes, equal volumes. So let's say this is V1 and this is volume V2. V1 is equal to V2. Find an expression for the side length of the cube. Let's say this length is L. So volume is L cubed for the cube, and for cuboid is length times width times height. So L cube is there, length here is x plus 5, width is x, height is x times x, right? So this is x plus 5 times x squared. So L is going to be, let me put it here, x square into x plus 5. This is cube here, on other side it will become a cube root. So this is the final answer, cube root of x squared into x plus 5. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys get everything here. So kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section about your experience about these revision videos. Do you need more about videos like this? So then I will continue making videos like that. Thank you so much guys. Be blessed.